Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be an unboxing video without the boxes. So basically, I've already unboxed all the comics. It was in like a whole bunch of like really awkward, like individual envelopes. So I figured, hey, instead of like showing you me going through and taking like hours just to get the silly comics out, I would just show you what's inside. So with that being said, I've been collecting a lot of good girl art, and I've been really into like Bob Montana, uh, you know Bill Ward, and a whole bunch of artists that created sort of the pinnacle good girl art. And with that being said, there's certain comics that are kind of known as like having the best covers for good girl art, and one of the ones is this kind of pulp magazine called Gaiety. It's I just like this cover, so this is one that I ordered. It's like a $30. These pulps are not expensive. So yeah, so Gaiety. I'm not even sure which issue it is. It's just a really cute good girl art cover with her in a bath. Um, and another series that I'm collecting, which is kind of good girl art uh, and Archie related, is Ginger. So this is Ginger number 5. I just really like Ginger. I'm going to try to get her first appearance as well, which is a different comic. But yeah, so I'm only missing one of the Ginger series, which is actually in the mail, and it will be in a future unboxing video. So this is Ginger number 5. I have the full set. It's 1 through 10. And these are really, really scarce. They're really hard to find. And yeah, this one's really cool. I just really like Ginger. Another thing that I collect is modern superheroes, especially sort of good girl, still good girl art maybe. Is I'm into Black Widow, and this is Inhumans and Black Widow, Amazing Adventures number 1, which is the first Black Widow solo story. So it's kind of a cool minor key. So that's, yeah, Black Widow solo story. Again with the good girl art. This is actually when I a friend of mine mentioned this comic. He showed me like an image of it. I was like, wow, I have to get that one. It's just a really amazing cover, and it's such a weird title too. It's Abbott and Costello number 4, I believe. Yes, number 4. Uh, it's just a really great, sort of woman, circus handler, and just Abbott and Costello in clown costumes, and it's just a really great cover. I just really like it. I just think it's a really awesome cover. So pure cover by, cover art by, and you're probably aware by now, if you've watched any of my videos, that I really get into the seduction of the innocent, books that are related to the seduction of the innocent, and with that being said, I have 2 that I can show you. Wanted number, I forgot which one this is. This is Wanted. I forgot what issue. I'm trying to remember what issue. It's like 35 or something like that. I'm pretty sure, something like that. And this is from the Seduction of the Innocent. And I'll do a later video explaining why these are in the Seduction of the Innocent. So this is Wanted. And another one is Beware number 12. This is a really hard comic to find. The Wanted one, not so much, but this one, definitely hard to find. And it's one that I was quite happy to get. So, and I won it in auction actually. So, Beware number 12. And now, as I was mentioning, I was trying to get the artwork of Bill Ward, and his character that he's most famous for probably is a character named Torchy. Now Torchy is from the like 1944. It was originally printed in the newspapers, and then later was featured in Doll Man number 8, where she made her first appearance. And she was kind of a cool character because she's like this character that's not klutzy, but things never seem to go her way. Like, she gets all these great opportunities because she's very beautiful. She's like this blonde bombshell, but for some reason they always backfire. They always go wrong. So it's kind of a cool character, and I'm interested in that character. So Innovation, which is a modern series, did kind of a series on her. And this is Torchy number 1, maybe not meant for kids, but it's it's sort of like that sort of pinup style art, good girl art, and these basically reprinted the stories from Doll Man and the Torchy series, and kind of cool, like very classic good girl art inside. So that's number 1. I bought the whole series of Innovation. So number 2. And these are actually quite expensive, considering what they are. Innovation's not one of those like major titles. It's a pretty small indie brand, and they can go for anywhere from 40 to $50 for number 1, and the others are usually in that $15 to $20 range. So I didn't pay that much, but I think I paid $60 for the whole lot. But this is number 3, I believe. Yeah, number 3. See, the kind of classic good girl art style. And another Torchy number 4. Sort of, I don't know. I like these covers. I think they're cool. This one kind of reminds me of Marilyn Monroe a bit. So Torchy number 5. And the last one is they had like a summer fun special, and I got this as a whole lot, where I always like that when you can buy a whole lot of, so you have the complete collection all in one go. So this was the summer special. And the last thing that came, totally not related to anything else that I just showed, is Invincible Iron Man number 3. And this is the first time that Riri Williams wears the Iron Man kind of costume, the Iron Heart, I should say. And so it's sort of a a minor key. This is a comic that I kind of not really specking on, but Riri is she's in the cartoon series. She's probably going to be in future MCU movies, and this is one of those kind of keys from her that is really undervalued. It's I got it for $10, so I just thought it was cool to get. So that's it. That was my unboxing video without the boxes. So I hope you enjoyed. A lot of cool Golden Age stuff came, and some some good girl art as well. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment below what kind of videos you'd like to see. And, I hope you check out my other videos. There's so much content on my channel. I post every day, and I've been doing that since the beginning of the year. So there's just so many videos. I recommend you check them out. There's like really cool stuff that I've done over the last year. So I hope you check those out. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification because you don't want to miss any of these videos. There's so many cool things I'm going to be showing. So thanks for watching.